In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can organize your e-commerce business for success so you can build a team and stay organized during the process and work effectively as possible. My name is Robin. I have 5 years of e-commerce knowledge, which I'm going to break down in videos like this. This video is part of my YouTube channel, which you can see here that I make value videos about e-commerce. So if you find this video valuable, make sure you subscribe over there. So without further ado, let's dive into the knowledge. So what you would like to do is to work in the cloud. So what I always do is to make a Google Drive document like this, where I organize my company files and my website files on project level. So what you would like to do, first of all, is go to company details, which you're going to filter the company files over here, right? So you need to make sure you do the accounting for every month. So I made the sample here. You need to do the customer service template. You can implement them here. You can keep track of company employees. So you keep track of the details over here. You keep track of the profit calculations, of course, so you can implement it right here. When you do right mouse click, you can implement a sheet and just start to build it over here in the company details. What you would like to do is organize the website templates that you use for every file, right? So the templates you might need is general terms of service, privacy policy, return policy, and shipping policy. So you can always find it here and just copy and paste whatever you make a new website and be optimized. Or any of your team members who need to access these files can find them right here. So the other thing you need to realize is that you can create folders like this for every website what you create. So for example, I created a few files here so you can see how we do it in reality. So first of all, we have one custom file that is where we always export the customer data, so we can synchronize it with Facebook and Google and any other platform, and we do that month by month. So we keep track of it right here in the Google Drive. In the other folder, we organize logos and branding, such as color palette for the individual websites what we create. We document the market research, so some product research employee is going to document the products that he or she find from AliExpress or Google Trends or whatever. So we have a product researcher in the company. Therefore, we also create a file for marketing content. So we advertise on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and any other platform that might be relevant for you. So you organize the product content right there, and here you organize the products that you have on your website. I already made a draft here so you can see how we do it ourselves. Product 1, you can just implement all photos from product 1 right here, and I just implement the dots here so you can give it a custom name, right? But the thing you need to learn from here is to stay organized, so everyone in the company knows, okay, product 1 is this product, so you give it a custom label and every team member is up to date in the company. So without further ado, this is a short video how you can organize your e-commerce business for success, because you don't want to operate like a freelancer and in the meantime build a team, because then you will be in the middle of all communications and it's not effective. This is the most effective way to build a team and stay organized in the e-commerce game, so you can scale to whatever amount of team members you might need and everyone knows where to access the files. And also it's important that if you lose your computer or any other issues, it's just backed up in the cloud. So make sure you create a Google Drive based on your company email and there structure your company details as the following as I just showed. And then for every project individual, so you can give the right employees the right access right here. So this is actually how we do it ourselves in the most effective way. Make sure you apply it for your own business and stay organized. Alright, don't forget to subscribe if this video was valuable for you. I see you in the next one. Ciao!